I'm sitting in a 2014 Dodge Avenger. We have no keys. We're going to program a key. We are going to pull the pin code. So, here's our key. Turned on. It is not programmed yet. We'll go to Dodge, Avenger, pin extraction, 14, pin can 2, ignition's on, read the pin. Alright, 0699, we'll back out, key coding, 14, we're going to check the count first. We're going to erase. Okay, no keys. We'll go to count keys to verify. 0 keys. I'm going to program a key. One key programmed. Count key again. One key programmed. That's it. Turn the key off. Turn the key back on. Security lights on the bottom of the speedometer. And the light is out. And we are done.